After you have constructed this robot, you'll notice a few things. The whole construction is a little fragile, so it's not very stable, and the parts are not well connected to each other. You can see this fragile robot, and the next goal is of course to fix this. These are the tasks. So after you've constructed this robot, try to think of ways to first attach the brick to the motors right here. What are the parts that you can use? How can you do this so that the motor does not move like this? If you attach the motor with this hose here to this hole here with some parts, then the motor will not move and it will be much more stable. Then do the same for the next motor, and at the end attach the whole brick to this beam so that the beam doesn't move. These are the 3 tasks that we have currently for you for this robot. After you've completed the task, take a picture, add this picture below in the comments, take a video, add the video below in the comments, so that we can give you some feedback on these solutions. The second task, that is kind of more complex, is for you to think of a way using this robot as a base to make a frame around this robot. So that the goal here is for you to learn what are the different parts in the set and how can you use these parts. For example, here, this here is a small square frame, and try to build a similar frame but around the whole robot. A square frame around the whole robot, and that's the third task. That's the second task. The third task is for you to build a competition robot. Below in the description below the video, you'll find a link to a robot that we call EV3 competition robot. Try to construct the EV3 competition robot. I don't have it currently constructed so that I can show it to you, but when you do, you have a nice competition robot that's stable, balanced, and on which you can add more attachments. Again, let's summarize. First task, improve this robot by making it not that fragile. Second task, add a square frame around this robot so that you can learn how to use the different parts. And third task, construct the EV3 competition robot.